I continue to take over with business news. And as President Barack Obama walked out of the White House and President Donald Trump walked in after taking oath of office earlier today, financial markets took caution on investing in stocks for major markets worldwide. Locally, the benchmark NSE 20-share index lost 57.26 points or 1.93% during the week to stand at 2,913.84. So what can we expect from a Donald Trump presidency? KTN's Joy Doreen Brewer spoke to business experts.
If you look at in totality, though there are no specific areas touching on Kenya, but if you look at African and other emerging markets put together, they are likely not to have much significant benefit from the Trump presidency.
We're moving from Barack Obama into Trump, and Trumponomics promises to be quite, I can say, alarming.
If people feel that we are coming to have challenges, even sustaining our fight in Somalia, maybe from funding or technical support or the kind of father figure that we had in the US, then we actually sit at a weaker position. So these are the questions we need to really look at and understand that in the geopolitics things, Kenya stands to be among the losers.